Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Automatic Coffee Machine. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Arzamoka Automatic Coffee Machine. 1 to 4 cups capacity. Smart Overflow Prevention System. Washable pot. Ideal brewing at low heat. Sound alert system. Ideal Turkish coffee in minutes. UL approved. Number 4. Chibo Automatic Coffee Machine. Boost button to increase coffee intensity. Elegant, intuitive LED panel with touchscreen operation. Number 3. MEROL Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine. Easily turn your beans into anything from fine powder to coarse grindings with the adjustable grinders. Elegant design with intuitive LCD screen, with 19-bar pump with fast heat-up system, brews delicious coffee, specialties at the touch of a button, in less than 60 seconds. Number 2. Gaggia Automatic Coffee Machine. 1-touch milk beverages. Programmable brewing. 3 temperature settings. Simple maintenance and operation, hopper and bypass doser, temperature control, accessible water reservoir, bean hopper. Number 1. Jura Automatic Coffee Machine. Includes milk siphoning hose, with connector, milk system cleaning solution, aqua test strip, 2 Clearel smart filters, extension rod, 2-pack cleaning tabs, and microfiber cloth. 2 electronically adjustable, ceramic disc grinders. Artificial intelligence, high-resolution touch screen, color display,